Need more credits to run your verification tasks? In this video, I'll show you how to add credits to your NumberCheck account. Sign into your NumberCheck account. Click Top Up in the top right corner of the dashboard. Choose the credit package that best fits your needs. Higher value packages include additional bonus credits. Select your preferred payment method. In this example, we'll use TRC20 USDT. You can either scan the QR code or click Copy Address and complete the transfer from your crypto wallet. Make sure the transfer amount exactly matches the payment amount shown on the page. Even small differences may cause the top-up to fail. After the payment is confirmed, your credits will be added to your account automatically. You can now return to the product list and start using NumberCheck services. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a like and subscribe for more NumberCheck product tutorials. Visit numbercheck.ai to get started today.